Hi, I thought I would take you through a brief review of what is expected from you, excuse me. And you've started the course, you know about me as an instructor, and I think that you're having a little trouble understanding what's expected from you during the weekly module. Week one was special because we had the ethics agreement, and then we had the validation video, and then we had the start line survey. But that point forward, everything is pretty much the same. So you have your readings, you have your PowerPoint notes, and then you have your badge work. And please note that the badge work here is different than the badge work that you're led to. And the reason is that I'm bringing you to an external site where you can do work that engages you in lifelong learning that you can bring back into the course and use to understand economic history. And this is something that is becoming more and more commonplace in the workforce as well as in courses across campus. And when you go into these courses, you're going to just do some badge work. Yes, of course. The due dates are different than what you'll find in your Lindenwood campus course. You are earning college credit here. So please pay attention to the due dates and you're going to do great. I understand there are some hiccups, hence I've given you the flexibility in doing some extra work. But go ahead. I see that you're registered for the course in the boot camp. Complete that work and you'll be on your way. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'm available by phone and canvas message. Many thanks. Bye-bye. Hi, you have some questions about the badge work? I thought I would go